Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, the appearance and disappearance of Lord within this material world, that is called Chikirsitam. What is the word meaning of Chikirsitam?
Pastimes.
Pastime. It is Krishna's pastime that he comes. When he comes, of course, he works something. The work is to give protection to the sadhu and to kill the asadhu. But both the activities are his pastimes. He is not envious. He cannot be envious. The killing of the demons, that is also his affection. Just like sometimes we punish our children to give a very strong slap. That is not out of love. There is love. So when Krishna kills a demon, the business is not on the platform of material jealousy or enviousness. No. Therefore, it is mentioned in the Shastras that even the demons who are killed by Lord, they also get immediate salvation. The result is the same. Just like Putana was killed. Putana wanted to kill Krishna. But who can kill Krishna? That is not possible. She was killed. But what was the result? The result was that she got the position of Krishna's mother. Krishna accepted her as his mother. She came with a poison-coated nipple, that Krishna will suck my nipple and the child will die immediately. But that is not possible. She was killed. Krishna sucks the nipple and the life altogether. But Krishna took the bright side, that this woman, demon, she came to kill me, but somehow or other I have sucked her breast milk, so she is my mother. She is my mother. So she got the position of mother. These are explained in the Bhagavatam. Uddhava explained to Vidur that Krishna is so kind, God is so kind, even the person who wanted to kill him with poison, she was accepted as mother. Such a kind God, Krishna, that whom shall I worship others except Krishna? This example is given. So actually, Krishna has no enemy. It is Najasya Kaschit Dvaita. Dvaita means favor. Nobody is favored. Najasya Kaschit Dvaitasti Karihichit Deshyascha. And nobody is his enemy. But who can be his enemy? Who can be his friend? Suppose we create friends, we expect some benediction or some profit from the friend. And enemy means we expect some harmful activities by the enemy. But Krishna is so perfect that nobody can do any harm to Krishna, neither anybody can give anything to Krishna. So where is the necessity of friend and enemy? There is no necessity. Therefore it is stated here, Najasya Kaschit Dvaitasti. He doesn't require anyone's favor. He's complete. I may be very poor man. I expect some friend's favor, somebody's favor. But that is my expectation because I am imperfect. I am not full. I am deficient in so many ways. So I am needy, always. Therefore, I want to create some friend, and similarly, I hate the enemy. So Krishna is being the supreme. Nobody can do any harm to Krishna, nobody can give anything to Krishna. So why we are offering Krishna so much comforts? We are dressing Krishna, we are decorating Krishna, we are giving nice food to Krishna. So the idea is, try to understand this one. Krishna does not require your nice dress or nice flower or nice food. Krishna does not require. But if you give him, then you become benefited. It is Krishna's favor that is accepting. The example is given just like if you decorate the original person, the reflection of the person in the mirror, it also appears decorated. So we are reflection. In the Bible also it is said that man is made after the image of God. So as Krishna is a transcendental, he has got 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 head. So man is made after God, means we are reflection of the image of God. Not that we manufacture, imagine some form according to our form. That is mistake. The Mayavadi philosophy is like that. It is called anthropomorphism. They say that because the absolute truth is impersonal, but because we are persons, we imagine that absolute truth also person. But just the opposite. Actually that is not the fact. We have got this personal form as reflection of God. So in the reflection, if the original person is benefited, the reflection is also benefited. That is the philosophy. The reflection is also benefited. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.